Unity 2021 crashes while building project with old post-processing. My project uses post-processing Stack version 2 from the asset store, and it crashes while building. I use Unity 2021. Easy, just downgrade to 2017.3, mate. There are features of 2021 that my project requires. Is there any other way than to downgrade to 2017.3? Use an old version like Unity 4 Pro or Unity 5, mate. I have to use 2021, okay? Why are you even using an engine? Write your own using OpenGL or Vulkan. Alright, here's part 4. Please stop flooding my comments, please.
CSS not loading on my website. Hello y'all, my website does not load CSS. Please help, it looks like a 2002 MySpace page. Here's the URL. Localhost 8000.
My man, you linked your localhost IP. Try using some free hosting or port forward.
What do you mean? It works on my machine. Are you using Firefox or Chrome?
It has nothing to do with your browser. You are locally hosting the website. We cannot visit it.
It literally works. It's your problem. Fix it and help me.
You need to host the website for us to be able to visit it. Export to Mac with Raylib and C++. I want to export my game to Mac. How do I compile it for Mac and not have people use stuff like Wine?
Just don't export to Mac. People are either on Windows or Linux. People who use Mac aren't a majority.
I want to export to Mac. I know it's not a majority, but still.
Why? Exporting to Linux and Windows is enough. Why would you want the extra work?
Why don't you understand? It's literally not your problem. If you know how to export to Mac, tell me. If you don't, go away.
Have fun not making money, lol.
Does gear matter in programming? I was wondering if having good gear is important, that's all.
Nah, I don't think it is important. I personally have a custom-made beast computer with two MSI NVIDIA RTX 3090s connected together with SLI, an AMD Threadripper with 64 cores with a whole 128GB of DDR4 RAM with even more on the way. I have a 4TB SSD and a 100TB home server connected with extreme fast internet. So yeah, I don't think gear is important.
What?
How to download more RAM? I have bad computer and it has no RAM. How can I download more RAM? Maybe even an RTX 3090 graphics card? Help please.
Those are hardware, you cannot download them.
I saw a video online told me that I can. And at 220 views. I will believe the video. You're lying.
I don't think you understand how computers work. You need the physical hardware for it to function. Software by itself will not do anything. There are some RAM optimizing tools that claim to make your PC faster. Are you talking about those?
No, the video said I could download RAM. Why you not tell me how to download RAM? You are bad human.
Hey guys, Guy here. Sorry for being gone for a month. Uploads will be more consistent. Now, I know I say this every video, but trust me this time. I bought a mic for higher quality content and will work on videos far more. Expect great things. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you really liked it, please subscribe. Join my Discord to hang out with the community, or just leave a comment. Anyways, enough selling out. Guy out. Hey, did you know that I'm looking for an editor? If you know Premiere, apply down below. It is paid. Money! Guy out.